All right, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be going over affiliate marketing without a website, a step-by-step guide from somebody that's made 6 figures in affiliate commissions for 5 years running. I don't even build a list. I don't have a website I'm using. I'm going to prove it that you can make hundreds of thousands of dollars just sending out affiliate links, but you do need quality traffic. I can show you how I did that in this video. If you want to get started on your affiliate marketing journey, click the first link below. You're going to get my 3-page PDF guide for free on how to make your first $1,000 in affiliate marketing, even if you're starting from scratch. Now, if you've been watching the last few videos, you know that I'm only delivering real, valuable, high quality content to you that are full-blown tutorials on what I'm actually doing in my business to make money and not just making up following. I'm not going and looking at other people's YouTube videos where they're teaching you these really silly marketing tactics that really don't actually pay the bills. What I'm actually trying to do is connect with people that really truly want to go out, make a real business for themselves, start realistically, make your first $100 online, make your first $1,000 online, build a real sustainable evergreen business. And that's what I teach. And those are the people that I want to connect with. I don't care if I get 1,000 or 2,000 views, if I get 200 or 300 views, but they're high quality people that really want to learn the real ins and outs of this business, then that makes me happy. Makes me happy to connect with people that are actually interested in this stuff and learning from somebody that's actually doing it. Go get the free guide that I just came out with, and I'm teaching you how to build a guide. I created a GPT to create a lead magnet, squeeze page, and email follow-up series. I've used my bot to help build this whole thing. If you want to see how it's actually done and how AI helped me build, this is what's called a lead magnet right here. If you click on this, put your first name, your email, and go and get the guide, you're going to get the guide that's going to be sent to you right away in your inbox, right? Then I should have a bridge page on the back end. After you do that, you'll see a little video. Go ahead and watch that video, and then we're off to the races, right? So I'm teaching you how to do all those things on this channel. Instead of having these tactics where I don't want you to know what I'm doing behind the scenes, I'm actually showing you what I'm doing. Really cool stuff. This is the first video that I've ever launched this particular lead magnet on. Be the first to go and sign up, get this free guide. Let me know in the comments if you got the guide and what you thought of it. If you enjoyed the lead magnet funnel that I just put together, I want to show you how you can get results like this. Now I'm logged into my Warrior Plus account, and I'm going to show you how you can do affiliate marketing without having a website. You don't have to get fancy link shorteners or a website and rank it on Google. I do direct linking. Basically, direct linking means that I put my affiliate link in my YouTube video, people click on it and they go buy. I don't create barriers for people that want to buy. I let the product creators and those sales pages do it themselves. I don't try to create friction with my customers. When you're seeing that lead magnet, I want you to click and sign up for that lead magnet. That is a form of list building, and that's what I'm doing on this particular channel. But I've had so many people sign up to the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator, even in just the last couple of days. Go watch a couple videos ago. You'll see that this was in the 50s, and now we're in the 60s. If I go into settings, you'll see that we've had 8 people sign up in the last 7 days. We've had 100 visitors. It's not a lot of traffic, and that's what I teach. Very powerful traffic. But we've had 8 people come in and sign up for the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator. I'd love for you to be the next one. This is where I teach you everything you know about making over $600,000 in affiliate commissions with free YouTube organic traffic and affiliate marketing. So go be the next person that signs up for this wonderful community that we have here. But go and look at my last couple of videos. Just look at the evidence of what I'm teaching you. I'm not making this stuff up. I'm putting a link in my description and people go to it. The second link in this video is an exact example of what I'm teaching you, where you don't have to have a website. People are clicking that link, they're coming right over to here, and then they're buying something, right? So we're gonna come over here and you can see that when I type in on Warrior Plus YT review, I labeled my tracking link, my affiliate tracking link with YouTube review. That means that people went to my YouTube review, clicked on a link and bought something, right? Now, the email ones are self-explanatory. People got an email from me and then they went and purchased a product. That's cool. You definitely want to work on building your list so you can set aside the overwhelm. You don't have to create, do list building and sign up for get response and an email marketing and all that stuff. You can just start a YouTube channel, start pumping out videos, and find your favorite product that you use, sign up to their affiliate program, put that link in your description, and start making content. You don't have to have a website or anything fancy to make this work. This is just proof. I can show you $14,595 right here selling this AI software called SEWriting.ai, right? How did I make almost $15,000 with SEO writing? Well, we can come over here to YouTube and I can say LearnWire. I'll say SEO writing AI review, and I might pop up. It's a pretty competitive software. Everyone wants a piece of the pie. You will see that the top channels for this term is LearnWire. My channel has made the most content on it, even though I'm not ranking for it. We are going to scroll down here and see if I can find my video somewhere. It still places me as the authority, but I'm certainly not over here. Let me go over here and maybe go like this, and we should be in the top. It just got super competitive. It's been a long time since I've actually looked at this, but pretty crazy how many people jumped on this software. I'm not even showing up right there. So what I'm going to do right here is type in LearnWire. Now, I was one of the first people to jump on this software. You can see right over here, 12,000 views, 2,000 views there, 5,000 views right there. So I did make content on this topic, and I was one of the first to the market to do that. The thing that I really want to show you is that when I click on one of these videos, they got 12,000 views, and we come over here and we look at this, I'll click the more button, and you can see my.learnwirelinks.com/SEO writing. Look at this right here. We can click on this and it will take the person to, with my affiliate link, you can see right over here, this is the affiliate link, referral equals David85. I'm taking him to this page, and when people sign up for a free account and they end up being a paid customer, I get paid reoccurring commissions every single month for that. I didn't have to have a website to do it. All I did was create a YouTube account, record my video doing a review of the software, and then I threw in an affiliate link in the YouTube description. Look, it's the only link I put in there. People clicked it, and it resulted in $14,600 in affiliate payouts. You can go over here to payouts right here. It's going to tell you all of the payments that I get. We look at the first ones that came out. It hit really hard when it came out. Look, $1,500, $1,000, $1,300, $1,500, $766. This was in 2023 when I started. I'm still getting paid for this software. It straight up works. If that's not enough proof, we can continue. Well, you could take the same exact concept and apply it to another software. Look, here's Koala AI, 30% lifetime reoccurring commissions, $12,500 right there that they have paid me. Here's all the traffic right there. If we go over here and type in, I'm going to go boom, I'm going to go Koala AI review. Let me take this part off and see if I'm still ranking. These are very competitive softwares. I don't necessarily recommend you get into trying to promote them, because you can see right over here, even though I am an authority, vidIQ will say which channels have the most authority on the topic. I probably am ranking. We'll just come down here and keep looking. See, I'm not seeing my name anywhere. It's very competitive. People are promoting the heck out of this software. When we come through here, let's look. It's still processing, but I'm pretty sure that my name will show up. My channel would show up, but we're going to continue and just type in LearnWire. And then you're going to see we've got Koala Writer right over here, and we got almost 8,000 views. I click on the video with 8,000 views. No, I don't pay for views on my channel. So we did really good there. And then you can see same exact story right here. When someone clicks on this, they go straight over to the LearnWire, to my affiliate link. I can show you even with my link tracking right here. I'll go into my link tracker. Now there's free link trackers. You can use Rebrandly. You can use this one I got on AppSumo. It's very cheap, like 20, 30 bucks. We can go over here and I can search for that first one, which was SEO writing. And you can see right over here, 2,600 clicks. We can go look at the stats right here, and it is going to pull up all the stats for us. You can't make this stuff up. No one's showing you this stuff, how they make hundreds of thousands of dollars, but this is how you do it. In 2023, 1,600 clicks. That's when it launched. 2024, I took my foot off the brake. or took my foot off the gas, and we got half the clicks. So we still got 750 clicks there. 2025, I haven't even done a video this entire year, and we still got 255 clicks right there. And you can see all the traffic. We've got most of the traffic coming in from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Germany, India. Most all the traffic came from YouTube right here. You can just see you can't make this stuff up. This is the facts right here. Then we can go and look at Koala Writer. Here's the Koala Writer, almost 4,000. So it almost tells you that the Koala Writer had more traction and interest. We can look at the stats right here, all time on my Koala Writer affiliate link. What I'm teaching you guys is that look at this. 2023, 1,900 clicks, then 1,500 clicks this year, 382 clicks. This is the most as far as popularity on my channel. I have promoted Koala as my #1 choice of AI writer. That's probably why it performed better than any of my other tools. I actually made more money in commissions because SEO writing pays higher commissions. We can keep going. I put links in my description in this software review channel where I've made a lot of money with affiliate marketing, and I send people over to AppSumo, they buy products, and you can see that we've made $18,000 just this year. Look, January 1st, 2025. I'm showing you the real proof right here, logging into my affiliate marketing accounts, showing you how this actually works. You don't have to have a website. You just grab a product, get an affiliate link, put it in your YouTube video right here. People click on it and you can make money. Make sure you give value in your videos, and that's it. But that's what I teach in the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator. We have everything in here. We've got the community. We've got people making money. Gary making almost $500 in one sale on Warrior Plus. We have several students making money in here. We have a classroom section where you're going to learn all about YouTube, how I do YouTube, which is totally different than you're going to learn from anybody else. Everybody else way overcomplicates this. You got to have fancy cameras. You got to have you've got to plan everything out. And no, I'm actually more about come up with your content plan. Let's get you your first 30 to 60 YouTube titles ready to go. I understand who I'm talking to. You're probably already working a 9-to-5 job. You have a full-time job. You probably have kids. You probably are married. You have responsibilities in your life. And I totally get that. And that's where I was at 5 years ago. And I still made an hour a day to make sure that I got a video out the door. If you commit to YouTube, like I teach in my YouTube Affiliate Accelerator program, for the next 6 months to a year, you will start seeing results in your business. You'll be like, wow, why didn't I start this a long time ago? This actually works. All this noise and shiny object stuff I've been chasing for years doesn't move the needle at all. And I just waste my money, waste my time, stresses me out, makes me feel depressed. Don't do that. You need to start a real business and start being a content creator and not a content consumer. So come in and be my next student in the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator program. I really do want to help you, but you have to be willing to help yourself first. Come join. This is the lowest that it's ever been at. I've got 2 links below. Go my free lead magnet that I showed you in my last video, how to create it. I'd love to see what your reaction is to this, and leave some comments if it all worked out and you got your PDF guide on how to make your first $1,000. The next link is to join the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator at the lowest price that it has ever been, at the $17 mark. The normal price is $97. Thanks so much for joining me in this video, and I will see you in the next video.